What I see from the majority of Christians today is indifference. Actually, in the time we are living in, many Christians have become cruel. They've become hard. They've become so judgmental and critical that it's difficult to see love and any form of compassion in their lives. And as I said in the previous 2 sermons, the world look at that and they say, no, thank you. If that is what it is to follow Jesus, I am not interested. But you know what will move them? When they see compassion. When they see a community that cares. When they see people that cares, that loves. That will be a witness, and that will show them who God is, because that is what's happening. When I am compassionate, when you are compassionate, I give the world a glimpse of who God is.